Hey y'all, it's CJ. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. Pooh. So today I'm going to show y'all some black owned company, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So first thing we have is a wig by Wiz by Blessing. Her wig company is called Forever Fancy, and this is her Fancy Girl Gang. I'm gonna show y'all in-depth video of the whole thing. So this is a closure. It's 18 inches, and she curled it, plucked it, and it already came bleached. And got a little hairpin or whatever. So our next one is this glass, a wine glass with CJ on it, of course. And then I have another one I'm gonna show y'all. It says Nubian Queen with a girl with an afro on it. It's so cute. And here is my other cup, the Nubian Queen. Y'all know. I was surprised when I seen it. I thought it was just gonna say Nubian Queen like the other one. When I opened it and I seen this, I fell in love. So, and then we have this candle by Leading Lady. And this, I don't know, it gives me the manly scent. And I was walking around the house, I'm like, I don't smell nothing, I don't smell nothing. Whole time I'm thinking it was my boyfriend. It's really the candle. And it smells really good. So, and then Lash. Ain't that cute? I don't know if y'all can really see it. And then My Bedroom Secrets. Make sure y'all go to www.mybedroomsecrets for some lingerie. Ain't that cute? This hair and this outfit is going to be totally separate on its own. So make sure you follow that video so you get update and know more information about this hair. Thank you. So to every company that had sent something, I'm gonna leave their description in the box so y'all can find them and order from them. I just want to say thank you to all the ladies that participated. I really enjoyed everything that I got from this box, and it really made me so happy, and I just can't say how much I appreciate it.